Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the content-aware fill together with some other AI tools. Make sure that your Photoshop is upgraded to latest version, which is what gives you the new feature called contextual taskbar. It's just this box with a bunch of buttons that will float around your selection, or you can pin it to a specific location. Okay, so to use content-aware fill, first thing I'm going to do is select the main object on my image, which is this yellow car that I previously generated with generative fill. To select the main object, all you have to do is click on Select Subject button here. Photoshop AI will automatically create a selection around the main object. Now press Delete on the keyboard and just make sure Content Aware option is selected from the dropdown, which it is by default. Now all you have to do is click on the OK button, and the Content Aware fill will use AI to fill in the blank space where there used to be a car. Now it's not perfect, but one thing you can do is go here and select Remove Tool. Now what you want to do is draw around the edges and simply release the mouse button when you're done. Now, in some cases, you can continue using the remove tool to touch things up. It does work for stitching things together, but it isn't always perfect. So in a case like this, to fix the road, make a selection around it, and on the contextual taskbar, click on Generative Fill and type in road. Click on Generate button, and Photoshop AI will create a number of different road variations and actually fix it with a higher quality road, as you can see in this example. And you can just browse around different variations created by Generative Fill AI tool.